Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in our last video we have seen how to make some parallel planes using our VESTA software. So this is how we have shown this 110 plane here. So both of these planes are parallel to each other. I can also show you that here you can see that both of these planes are having this HKL indices are 1, 1 and 0. Now what if we want to make a perpendicular plane? Suppose I want to make a plane which will be perpendicular to both of these planes, then which atoms or which plane should I choose? So that we will see here. So let's start that. So here, as we can see, if we will cut any plane along this or along this side, then we will get a perpendicular plane which will make 90-degree angle to both of these planes. Okay, so now for this, to make a perpendicular plane, let's choose some atoms. So here I am selecting this one, and this atom. Any three atom we need to choose to make a particular plane. I am going to this plane, then new, and calculate the plane with the selected atoms. Then we will change this color of the plane so that we can identify which one is the perpendicular plane and which one is the parallel plane. So this is our one perpendicular plane, and another we will also choose. So next to choose another plane, I'm going to select some other atoms on the right hand side. So here I will be choosing this atom, and this carbon atom. Now again let's do the same thing, new, then calculate the best plane for the selected atoms. Okay, now it's done. You can also see over here the plane that we have chosen here initially was 1, 1 and 0, and the plane now which is perpendicular to this 110 plane is represented as -1, 1, 0 or 1, -1, 0. So if you will calculate this cos theta value from the plane from any two plane using the formula that we know, like a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 c2 mod divided by a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square root, and a2 square b2 square plus c2 square root. So like this there is a formula, which is very well known, and if we will calculate that like this, which is simple, the like normal dot product formula to find any angle. So that if we will use, we will found this angle as cos theta value as 0. That means this theta will be 90-degree, and so both of these planes are perpendicular to each other. So this way we can represent our planes. Like sometimes if we want a plane to cut on the perpendicular direction, we can usually do in this way. So I hope you are understanding, and this much for today's video, and thank you all.